So now the next concept, so converting the temperature, so from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Fahrenheit temperature, how can we convert into Celsius? The formula is C is equal to F by 9 into F minus 5 by 9. 5 by 9 into F minus 32. So that is the formula for converting degrees Fahrenheit into Celsius scale. So now here degrees Fahrenheit, first how can you convert? So first, in the same way, so whatever, so the Fahrenheit is given, that we should multiply with 5 first. Okay, so now you multiply 86 degrees Fahrenheit into 5 with 5. Okay, so now see here, so converting the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So Fahrenheit to Celsius, then how can you convert Fahrenheit to Celsius? The formula is C is equal to 5 by 9 into F minus 32. So this you should remember. So now, so in the first step, what we should do, whatever the given Fahrenheit, so that you subtract 32. Okay, so from the 86 degrees Fahrenheit, so we should subtract 32. 86 minus 32. First you subtract. Then 6 minus 2 is 4. 8 minus 3 is 5. 54. So now in the second one, so this 54 is multiplied by 5. 54 into 5. And this product is divided with 9. 54 into 5 by 9. Now you cancel. 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54. Now 6 and 5 is left. Multiply 6 5s are 30. 30 degrees Celsius. So that means 86 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. 86 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius is 30 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now the next. In the second also the same pattern, whatever the given Fahrenheit, so that from that we subtract 32. So that is 104 minus 32. So if you minus it, then 4 minus 2 is 2 and 10 minus 3 is 7. 72 degrees 72. So this 72 is multiplied by 5. 72 into 5. This product is divided by 9. 72 into 5 by 9. 9 ones are 9 8s are 72. Now 8 and 5. 8 5s are 40. 40 degrees Celsius. Here, so 104 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius is equal to 40 degrees Celsius. 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, this Fahrenheit into Celsius. In the same way, here 113 degrees Fahrenheit, how to convert into Celsius? So from the given Fahrenheit, so we should subtract 32. That is 113 minus 32. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. So 11 minus 3 is 8. 81 degrees. 81. So this 81 is multiplied by 5. 81 into 5. So now this product is divided with 9. 9 ones are 9 9s are 81. Now 9 5s are 45 degrees Celsius. Now this is the conversion. Step 1, step 2, step 3. So it means 113 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius is 45 degrees Celsius. 45 degrees Celsius. Now the next. 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So this, from this we subtract 32 degrees. That is 2 minus 2 is 0. 12 minus 3 is 9. 12 minus 3 is 9. Now, so 90 multiply with 5. Now this product is divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 tens are 5 tens are 50. 50 degrees Celsius. It means 122 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius. In Celsius is 50 degrees Celsius. 50 degrees Celsius. This is the conversion of Fahrenheit into degrees Celsius. The first step, Fahrenheit, the given Fahrenheit temperature, from that we subtract 32. Then that difference we should multiply with 5. And in the third, so the product should divide with 9. Then the temperature means Fahrenheit will convert into degrees Celsius. Okay. So now the next in activity 1, the first bit, answer the following. So here some questions he has given, so we should answer it. The first one, which is the colder? 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. So here 0 degrees Celsius is colder than 32 degrees Fahrenheit. 0 degrees Celsius is colder than 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. Now, so water boils at what degrees Celsius? Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. At 100 degrees Celsius water will boil. And freeze at in degrees Fahrenheit he is asking. Freeze at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So it freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, so here in third question, choose the correct answers. Any one answer, so we have to choose. Snowman can made at a temperature. At a temperature, snow means that is low temperature. So low temperature is 25 degrees Fahrenheit. So degrees Celsius is highest temperature. So 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. So this is the temperature of a snowman made. Snowman made. So at 25 degrees Fahrenheit. In winter, so we take cup of tea. So means hot coffee, hot cup of tea we can take. So we are taking generally. So that is hot means 85 degrees Celsius. 85 degrees Celsius. Okay. So liquids used in thermometer is called. In the thermometers, the liquid we are using, that name is mercury. So mercury we are using. Okay. So which liquid we are using? Mercury. Okay. Now the next. Sixth question, convert 194 degrees Fahrenheit in the Celsius scale. So already we did how to convert the given Fahrenheit into Celsius. So first of all, from the given Fahrenheit, we should subtract 32. Now 4 minus 2 is 2, 9 minus 3 is 5 and 1. Then after that, this will multiply with 5. So 152 multiplied by 5. Okay. So this is 9 minus 3 is not 5, that is 6. 162. So now this the product, so divide with 9. 162 into 5 by 9. Now cancel with 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, 7 left. So 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72. Now 18 5s are 90 degrees Celsius. So it means 194 degrees Fahrenheit into Celsius is equal to 90 degrees Celsius. 90 degrees Celsius. This is the easiest conversion method. Now, so convert 95 degrees Fahrenheit into Celsius. The same. So the given Fahrenheit, from the given Fahrenheit, so into the given Fahrenheit, so first we subtract 32. So 95 minus 32. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. 63. Now this 63 is multiplied with 5. Now this product is divided by 9. 63 into 5 by 9. Now cancel. 9 ones are 9. So 9 sevens are 63. Now 7 5s are 35 degrees Celsius. It means 95 degrees Fahrenheit into Celsius. 35 degrees Celsius. This is the conversion of degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. Okay. Now see here. So the first one, convert 80 degrees Celsius to the Fahrenheit scale. So then how to convert degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit? So first, so whatever is the degree Celsius is given, so that we should multiply with 9. 80 into 9. 80 into 9. So this product, so we should divide with 5. 80 into 9 by 5. So now 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 3 left. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Now 16 into 9. 16 into 9 is 144. For this we should add 32. Then you'll get 176 degrees Fahrenheit. 176 degrees Fahrenheit. It means 80 degrees Celsius. 80 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit is equal to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so this is the conversion of the degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. So here also 0 degrees Celsius. So 0 degrees Celsius convert into Fahrenheit scale. So 0 degrees Celsius. Then how to convert? First, the degree Celsius multiply with 9. So 0 into 9, 0. 0 into 9 is 0. Then 0, this 0 is divided by 5. 0 divided by 5 is 0. Now, if you add 30 to this, 0 plus 32 is equal to 32. Is equal to 32. So here this is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So 0 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit is, so 0 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit (32 degrees Fahrenheit). Okay. Yes, students, see here. So when we convert 0 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit, so you'll get 32 degrees Fahrenheit. In the first question, he is asking, so which one is the colder, 0 degrees or 32 degrees Fahrenheit? 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit? So there I explained that 0 degrees Celsius is a colder. So no, so both are the colder only. Means both are the equal values. 0 degrees and 32 degrees, both are equal values. Okay. Either 0 degrees or 32 degrees, anyone is same. So 0 degrees is equal to 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, but no one is colder, both are the same values only. Okay, that you remember. So there, so what we explained, 0 degrees Celsius is the colder, so actually both are equal values. Okay students, that you remember in question number 1. Okay, now see here, fill in the blanks. The freezing point of water. So what is the freezing point of water? That we know. That is 0 degrees Celsius or in Fahrenheit 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Both are equal, so that is why the freezing point in Celsius is 0 degrees and Celsius and Fahrenheit is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. The boiling point of water. The boiling point of water we know that is 100 degrees in Celsius, in Fahrenheit 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So okay, now the next one, the normal temperature of the healthy human body. So that is 98.6 degrees Celsius, degrees Fahrenheit approximately. Approximately, so what is the normal temperature of a healthy human body? That is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. So now the students see here, so the concept about time. So about time. So in the time, so basically we have two methods, two main ways to represent time. So how many ways? Two ways. So what are the two ways? That is 24 hours clock. Using 24 hours clock we can represent time, and using AM and PM. So AM and PM. So using these two ways we can represent time. So what is our 24 hours clock and what is AM PM? So here 24 hours clock. So what is there in 24 hours clock? So time is shown as how many hours and minutes since midnight. Since midnight, how many hours and how many minutes over. So that is represented using 24 hours clock. Okay. In AM and PM are 12 hours clock. So how the time represent? So we divide first 12 hours. So from when? From midnight to noon. So that is AM hours. So that midnight to noon. So that all that hours are AM hours. Okay. Now the other 12 hours are from noon to midnight. Okay. So 12 hours before means first 12 hours from midnight to noon, and the next 12 hours noon to again midnight. So that is complete. So 12 hours and 12 hours total 24 hours. This is the representation of a 12 hours clock. Okay. So now in 24 hours clock, so AM and PM. So how to represent AM and PM in 24 hours? So comparison. So first AM means anti-meridian. So anti-meridian. AM means anti-meridian. The Latin. So what is the Latin meaning this? Before midday. Before midday. Before midday, whatever the time is there, that is anti-meridian. Okay. And post meridian. So in the Latin, so the meaning of the Latin is after midday. After midday, whatever the time is there, so that is PM hours. So okay. So midnight to noon. So that is from midnight. In 24 hours, that is midnight to noon. So midnight means from 0:00. So the AM starts from 0:00 to 11:59, noon till 11:59. So these all are AM hours. Then so PM hours from noon, again from noon to midnight, from 12 noon to 23:59. So 23:59. So this complete hours are PM hours. Okay. AM hours, PM hours. Okay. So this is the difference of AM and PM. AM means from midnight to noon, and PM means noon to again midnight. So that all are so AM and PM hours. Now units to measure. So here, so we know that in 1 minute total 60 seconds we have. 60 seconds make 1 minute, and 60 minutes make 1 hour. 60 minutes make 1 hour, and 24 hours make 1 day. In 1 day total we have 24 hours, and in 1 week we have 7 days. That is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So in a week we have 7 days, and 52 weeks make 1 year. 52 weeks makes 1 year, and 365 days, if you convert that into days, that means 365 days in 1 year. How many days? 365 days. But in leap year, 1 extra day is there. So in a leap year, 366 days we have. Now decade. So what is decade? Decade means 10 years. 10 years period is a decade period. So then century. So 100 years. 100 years is a century. So then millennium. 1000 years is a millennium. 1000 years is a millennium. So this all about the measure of a time. Okay. So now see here. So converting AM and PM to 24 hours. So AM and PM, how to convert in 24 hours? So the first example is 12 midnight. 12 midnight in 24 hours, how to represent? 0, 0, 0. At midnight 12, so then how to represent? 0, 0, 0. Okay. Then 12:35 AM. So 12:35 AM, how to represent? 0 and 35. This is 24 hours clock. So in the midnight, if 0 is there, so if midnight 12 is there, so then you represent 0, 0, 0, 0, and 12:35 AM. So that means we represent 0 and 35, 0 and 35. This is the conversion of AM, PM into 24 hours. The next one. So from 1 AM to 12:59 PM. So there is no change in the hours. When from 1 AM to 12:59 PM. So if 12 is there, so then we should write here 0. If 12 is there, so we take here 0. If 1 is there, 1 to 12, there is no change. So like here 11:20 a.m. means 11:20 only, no change in the time. AM is there, so 1 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. no change, nothing, we should take time as it is. 12:30 p.m. means, so this is 12:30 a.m. here, p.m. means after midnight. So from 12:59 p.m. no change, nothing, so we should take as it is in 24 hours clock. Okay, in PM and AM both are same, so from 1 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. 12:59 p.m. Here 11:20 a.m. AM means the 24 hours clock also, it represents the same. Here 12:30 p.m. in 24 hours clock also, it represents the same time. Next, from 1 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. so we should add 12 to the hours. 12 to the hours. Here see here PM, so after 1 p.m. so 4 p.m. will come, so here we should add 12. 12 plus 4, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16:45, it represents 16:45 after, so 1 p.m. means from 1 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. we should add 12 to the hours. Now here 11:50 p.m. so 11:50 means PM here, so we should add 12 to this 11, then 12 plus 11, that is 23. 23:50, the time is in 24 hours clock, the time is 23:50. So then how to add? When we should add 12? After 1 p.m. so we should add 12 to the hours, then that will convert into 24 hours clock. Okay, at midnight if 12 is there, so the time is 12 midnight to 12:59 midnight, so the time is 0 here, 0 hours, we should consider 0 hours. Okay, now after 1 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. so we should write the time as it is. From 1 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. we should add 12 to the hours, that it will convert into 24 hours clock. Okay, so now the students see here converting 24 hours to AM and PM. So now the conversion of 24 hours into AM and PM. See here, so 0, 10, 0 means 12 in the midnight. So then how to write 12? Whenever 0 is there here in 24 hours, that you make 12. 12:10, so this is AM, this is midnight. 12:10, here 0 is there in 24 hours means 12:40 AM. When 0 hours given, so that means that is 12. Here also 0 hours means 12. The minutes we take as it is and write AM, right? AM. Then after that, from 1 to 11:59, so if in 24 hours it shows 1 to 11:59, just to make it AM. Okay, so now 1:15, it means 1:15 AM. Here 11:25 means 11:25 AM. So when it should be the AM, so till 11:59, so it is the AM, so write AM there. Now from 1 to 23:59, if the time is from 13 to 23:59, so then we should subtract 12 from the hours. Okay, then after that write PM here. So here 14 means more than this 13, means we should subtract 12 from 14. 14 minus 12, 14 minus 12 is 2. Then minutes as it is, 2:55, this is PM. It is one more, that means 13 to 23, so just to subtract 12 hours from the hours and write your answer in PM. Here 23, 23 means we should subtract 12. 23 minus 12 is 11. So 11:30 PM. 11:30 PM. This is the conversion of 24 hours into AM and PM. Okay. Now here changing 24 hours clock time to 12 hours. 12 hours. Here 12 hours, how to convert? So this is the 24 hours, that is 013. From 0 to, so 11 means 12:59, no change, nothing, we should take as it is, write in PM. So AM, so that is 03:15 as it is, write in AM. Just you write AM enough. This is also just write as it is, write AM. 12:15 AM. Then if it is more than 12 means, so 14, so you subtract 12 from this hours. 16 minus 12, that is 4. 4 minutes 00. Now here PM. From 13 to 23:59, so we should subtract 12. Here also 22 means subtract 12. 22 minus 12, 10. 10:35. 10:35 PM. So this is the conversion of 24 hours into AM and PM. Okay, students. So now in activity 2, the first question, write each of the time in 12 hours clock. 12 hours clock. Okay. The first question, Rajdhani train departs from Nagpur at 14:35 hours. So it will arrive Bhopal at 22 hours. 22 hours. So this is the time is there. This is departure. So this is arrival time. So that we should write in 24 hours, means 12 hours time. So the first time is 14:35. So 14:35 hours. So then how to convert this 14:35 hours in 12 hours? 14 means if it is more than 12, then we should subtract 12 from the hours. 14 minus 12, that is 2. 2:35. Now write PM. Okay. If it is more than 12, so then you subtract 12 hours from the hours. Then 14 minus 12 is 2 and minutes same. Then write PM. The next one is arrival time. That is 22 hours. 22 hours. So then how to convert this 22? Here also it is more than, so 12. Then again subtract 10 from 22. 22 minus 12. Not 10, 12 sub from 22, that is 22 minus 12, 10. So write here 10 and the minutes are 00, write PM. So this is the conversion of the time in PM. The next question, a flight depart from Chennai at 12:35 hours and arrives New Delhi at 16:55. So that depart time, that is 12:35. It is 12:35, no change, nothing. So you should take 12:35 as it is and write AM. So 12:35 AM. Okay. So now not AM, PM. So after, so 11:59 PM will start. Okay. After 11:59 the PM will start. After 16:55. If 16:55, then it is more than 12. Subtract 12 from the hours. 16 minus 12 is 4. 4:55, write PM. Okay. The next question. The cartoon show on TV starts from 11:10. It's 11:10. The cartoon show starting time is given, that is 16:10. In 24 hours, 16:10. It is more than 12 means again we subtract 12 from the hours. 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12 is 4. 4:10 PM, write PM here. Okay. So more than 12, subtract 12 from the hours and write PM. And now Raju's train to Mumbai leaves at 15 hours. 15 means this is also more than 12. 15 hours. 15 hours. Then how to write? So 15 minus 12, that is 3. So write 3 PM. After that PM. Okay. Now, the live telecast of cricket match between India and Pakistan starts from 11:30 hours. If 11:30 means this is less than 12, so less than 12 is 11:30 hours. This is less than 12. Less than 12 means we should take as it is only and write AM. For less than 12, 12 or less than 12, so write as it is and write AM. Okay.